Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Soundgear Sense. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. In the beginning, take a look at the left earbud and right earbud. Press once on left earbud to increase volume. Press twice to decrease volume. Press twice to answer and end the call, and press and hold to mute or unmute the microphone. If you are not on the call, press and hold on either earbud to activate voice assistant. On the right earbud, press once to play pause, twice to skip to the next song, and 3 times to go to the previous song. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.